Now, the region of Catalonia in Spain is considered to be very, very expensive to buy property, especially if you want to buy a property with a sea view. And in general, that is the case. But today, I actually want to show you some apartments in this region with sea views, which are not too expensive. Obviously, they're not in the major towns, but nevertheless, they're in a very nice part of Catalunya. And the first place I want to talk about is Mont-roig del Camp, which has a population of 11,000. Now, it's actually made up of two towns. It's got an old town inland and the town by the coastal area. And it actually has 12 kilometers of coastline on the Costa Dorada. Now, the great thing is that the airport, which is nearest, Royce Airport, flies to places such as Eindhoven, Brussels, Dansk, Dublin, Cork, Shannon in Ireland, and numerous destinations in the UK, even places like Leeds, Newcastle, Nottingham, Belfast, Edinburgh, and Glasgow, as well as the normal places you would expect like London, Manchester, and Birmingham. So there are a lot of flights from this airport, and very convenient, especially if you live in the UK. And even if you can't get to that airport, Barcelona Airport is about 110 kilometers away if you're coming in from, let's say, the US or other countries outside of Europe. So I want to firstly show you what I think is a very, very exceptionally priced property here on Idealista, and it's a two-bedroom 79 square meter apartment on the 4th floor with an elevator, and it has 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. So let's confirm that first for you. 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, a 4th floor with the elevator, and that's the actual complex itself, and it has a swimming pool. Again, the swimming pool. There's the views, so you get magnificent sea views. Again, a nice terrace with sea views. The views obviously are the selling point, and it's obviously going to give you a lot of pictures of the terrace. Now there's the living room, which is not bad either. The corridor again, kitchen, 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 kitchen. There's the bathroom, perfectly functional. There's a bedroom. There's another bedroom. And again, as I said, there is the lift, so you can easily get in here. So it's really, I think this is the best value for money apartment I'm going to show, and simply because it's well under 2,000 euros per square meter for a sea view in a very expensive region of Spain. So I think this is possibly the best apartment I've found in quite a while. Now, I just want to show you one other apartment in Mont-roig del Camp, and again, let's move up here. It's a little bit more expensive. So it's a 64 square meter apartment on the 7th floor with an elevator, but it has great sea views, and it's right on the beachfront. So it's got 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, a nice terrace. It's on the more expensive side, but the reason is that the views are really tremendous. Look at that terrace. Right, you're really right, Frontline beach property. You really are just on the beach. So it's more expensive. It's still, though, well under 3,000 euros per square meter. If we look again at the living room, so the living room is quite nice, fairly spacious living room, again with the kitchen. Bathroom, very big bathroom. Again, that's the bedroom. It's quite a big bedroom, although I'll hasten to add, it's actually only 1 bedroom. But nevertheless, the mere fact that it's actually on the seafront, I think makes this not incredibly expensive, and you've got an on-site swimming pool as well, tennis court. So not too bad, not amazingly cheap as the first apartment, but I think I'm sure you'll agree with me, it isn't too bad when you consider the region it's in and how near it is to an airport. Now, the second town I want to show you, and I think a lot of you may know this town, is Salou. And Salou really is a lovely resort town, again on the Costa Dorada in Tarragona province, as was Mont-roig del Camp. Both places are in Tarragona province, and it also has a lovely theme park as well golf courses, wonderful beaches, and it has many competitive sports events as well. You'll find also some nice historic buildings, monuments, and numerous local festivals. The population is bigger as well, 27,000, and it's actually only 10 kilometers from Reus Airport. Only 10 kilometers, so really almost on your doorstep. You can get a taxi and be there in not too long. And alternatively, it's 100 kilometers from Barcelona Airport, which obviously has a lot more international flights, but not too bad. So let's go down and look at the first apartment here. Now, this is a 75 square meter apartment on the ground floor. It has a lift. It's 2 bedrooms, I believe 1 bathroom. Double check that. 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom. So let's look inside. That's the actual building, which is quite nice. That has a nice garden because it's on the ground floor, a terrace on the ground floor with a bit of a sea view, living room, living room, living room, living room, kitchen. So there's a view of the kitchen and the first bedroom. There's the bathroom, which isn't too bad. And then again, that's the main selling point, is the terrace with the sea view and a nice little garden as well. So I think this property is quite well priced. 75 square meters, less than 200,000 euros in what you would class as an expensive area of Spain, Catalonia. But the building is quite nice, I have to say, and the views are just really, really good. And you're right. Actually, as you can see there, you're right on the beach. Now, the second place in Salou I want to show you is a little on the expensive side. The third one I will show you is less expensive, but let's look at this one, which is a bit more expensive, but actually is in good condition, right on the seafront. So again, it's 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom. It's 68 square meters with a elevator. And it's 229,000 euros, which is a bit more on the expensive side, but you'll see why. The living room is very nice here. Living room again, quite a nice big living room, and really nice bedrooms here. Lovely bathroom, spacious bathroom, corridor, bedroom. So you've got 2 bedrooms here, kitchen, quite long and narrow, but very, very functional. But a good sea view property. So you can see from the balcony, you go straight onto the sea, or you can see the sea, and it's really, really close to the beach. And that's why this is a bit more expensive. And Salou is quite a well-known town in Catalonia. And the final place I actually want to show you today, or the final property in Salou, I should say, is an 81 square meter apartment for only 165,000 euros with sea view. So just over 2,000 euros per square meter. So let's quickly, it's 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, 2nd floor with an elevator. So those are the views. So you've got sea views, lovely. There's the terrace with the sea views again. And the views. So they're obviously going to sell this part of the property. There's the living room, kitchen, living room again, quite spacious, bathroom, bedroom. It's got 2 bedrooms again. Obviously it focuses on the views quite a bit. But just today, what I wanted to do was just to emphasize that although Catalonia is expensive, no question about it, like I did in the last video in Sardinia, even in these more expensive parts of, let's say, Italy, Spain, if you look hard enough, and I've looked very hard here for these type of properties, you can find something. Anyway, that's it for today. Please let me know your thoughts on this video. Are you interested in buying in this area property with sea view? Thanks ever so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon on the next video.